With an average salary of 8 lakh per annum, digital marketing is one of the best industries for you to step into in 2023 and moving forward in the next decade. Do you want to get a free digital marketing certificate course offered by Google? If yes, then watch this video till the very end, because at the end I have mentioned a way where you can get this course for absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the like button of this video. Let's start today's video. So here is the course. I will provide this link in the description box. You can check it out from there. And this course is offered by Coursera and Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. So this is a professional certificate, and the rating here is 4.8 out of 5, which is quite great. Nearly 2,60,760 has already enrolled. This is for 6-month course, and this course is available in English language and no prior experience required. It is a beginner level and 100% self-paced. So yeah, after completing this course, you will learn marketing, e-commerce, display advertising, email marketing, SEO, customer loyalty, search engine marketing, Google, and a lot more. Here in this single course, you will get 7 professional courses: the foundation of digital marketing and e-commerce, then from likes to lead, think outside the box, then access for success, satisfaction guarantee, develop customer loyalty online. So here is the course. Watch this video till the end. I will provide you how you can get this certificate for absolutely free. So for example, you want this course, think outside the box, email marketing. So here you will get 2 options: enroll for free and financial aid available. So if you click on enroll for free, you will get this. They are asking for money, which is 760 per month, which came around 2,280 rupees. But you don't have to pay this money because you are watching this video, and you can click for the audit the course. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको जो कोर्स का कंटेंट है वो मिल जाएगा, but at the end you will not get the certificate. So we don't want this. We want a professional certificate. So you can click for financial aid available and continue to the application. So here you can tell about yourself, for your highest level of education, your minimum income. Then you have to write that why you are applying for financial aid, and I have wrote this. I will provide this in the description box. आप इसको जाके copy paste कर लो और आपको Coursera का courses मिल जाएगा. Then here we will click the next, and then you can apply for this course. You will get the email from Coursera team within 10 to 15 days. अगर मैंने जो मेथड बताया वो आपको काम नहीं कर रहा, then you can also pay for this course, which will be around nearly 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. So yeah, this is all. That's all for this video. And if you got something value out of this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new. And also I will provide the link of this course in the description box as well. You can tag me on Instagram. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in the next video.